Okay, I'm gonna try and show you guys how to put the module, the TBS Crossfire module, to your DX9 and get power from the radio itself instead of an external battery. And as well, I've put it on a switch. If I switch it off here, you can see the radio stays on, and I can just turn this switch to turn off and on the Crossfire module. How's this switch? There you go. Okay, let me show you the wiring. There's a little hole here where you can put all the wires through. Let's turn it off. Okay, let's open it up. Carefully. Okay. I don't know how well you can see this, probably not very well. Let me take the phone out and let me get something to hold it up. 1 second. Sorry for this crappy way of showing you. Okay, so first of all, you can see that this is how they explain it as well on the video that Spektrum made themselves. You have here 4 holes, and it's called J16, yeah, at the bottom. The second one from the top is the TX. Third one from the top is the ground, yeah. Let me get actually something else. So yeah, that's just for the radio to be able to communicate with the TBS Crossfire. So that's the first thing you do, and then to put it on a switch. I don't know if you can see there. Oh my fucking god! I'm gonna show you guys this. Yeah, you can see here 3 solder joints. There were some wires on there, obviously, for the switch. So you desolder them, and then you put a ground cable, a black cable in the middle, and a red cable at the bottom. Yeah, this black cable goes directly, as you can see here. Let me see. Sorry guys, I'm not a professional tutorial maker. Okay, here you got 6 solder joints, yeah. So this ground cable that comes from your switch goes to the first one, yeah, to this one. Then you take another black wire and you put it on the last one, on the 6th, bottom right, and you put that one through the hole, yeah. And then red goes directly from the switch into the hole. Okay, let me put it back on the tripod. Okay, and let me show you the back. Let me put this together again. Alright, now here the 4 wires come out of this hole. Obviously red and black go into the DC input, into your XT30. You just solder the wires together. Then ground goes from the smaller wires, so to speak. Ground goes into the 6th pin. You have to take this off your JR. It comes with the JR connector, and there's 6 wires in there. Take them off. Use it for this. Take the other wires out. This plug I fucked it up because I used pliers to hold it, and I just wasn't careful, so it looks shit, but it still holds in place pretty well. So the second wire from the left is your signal, your TX, the yellow one. and ground is the last one, the sixth one. And that's all you need to do. Oh no, you also, of course, let me show you that as well, just in case. Let's turn it on. I don't remember what, yeah, if this one is down, it's off. Let's turn it, okay, now it's turning on. As you can see, there's RC input. To get that, you have to go into your menu, yeah? So you go to system setup. You have to update your firmware on the Spektrum website. First of all, then you go to serial port setup. And there you set your protocol to Crossfire. And Spektrum RF you can put on inhibit, as long as you don't use it. So yeah, that's it. Any questions, just ask. Cheers, bye.